Found them, guys. So dark.
What the heck?
Hey guys, it is so early in the morning. Sorry about the background noises. I'm in the bathroom because this is the only quiet place that my daughter won't hear me. She's still asleep because it is 5 in the morning and I need to take a shower. Okay guys, so I already brushed my hair, did my eyebrows already, just put foundation. I'm not gonna put too much stuff. I'm having really bad allergies right now. Like, I wake up with allergies, go to sleep with allergies, try every freaking medicine, and nothing works. Okay, so I think this is my makeup for today. Nothing too dramatic or anything. Let my hair dry. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. Just wearing a plain shirt. I'm like leggings. Cause like when you're a mom, you need to be flexible. Like you need to like run. Just letting my hair dry right now. It's still freaking wet. It's like dry from the top and like super wet. That's how you know this freaking side of his hair is like dead because it takes forever to dry. Over here, it's already drying. Like all here is already dry. Over here is like taking forever. Also, I didn't wake up Angie, so let me go get her. Well, wake her up. I'm not gonna bring the camera. She's not a morning person, but we have to go early in the morning because they sell menudo. Like, if you know in your hometown sell menudo, you know they sell out quick. Like they sell out quick. By the time it's like already like 11, it's gone. House, it's a lady. She sells her menudo in her house, but it's a bomb. Like there's like a lot of people go there. I only went once, and it's because my husband took me after my baby shower. Well, our mother-in-law took us. It was me and my husband's first time. That lady only sells it on Sundays, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go hurry up, get her ready, because my husband is on his way. We have to go there. It's 7:30. That's how early we're going.
Hey!
Okay, so I had Angie ready. Me. You're one. So we're gonna go eat already. His mom's already there. Oh, she's getting money because they only take cash. So we're on our way already. It's freaking raining. Ugh, I hate a rainy day because it makes you really lazy or something. Lazy. So we're on our way. We already have cash. It's probably like 10 minutes from us. Or 6 or 10 minutes from here. From here, so it's not that far. So yeah. Okay, so I am trying to go pick up my sister because we're gonna go find the Hello Kitty blanket. I've been trying to find this Hello Kitty blanket and I am driving like 45 minutes from here. Also, I'm gonna go pick up my sister because I don't know how to drive in a freeway yet. Okay guys, so I just made it at my mom's house. I'm just waiting for my sister to get out so we can go ahead and go. We're gonna go to Home Goods because that's where my mother-in-law saw them. My poor dog is over there waiting for me. But when is this coming out? God damn. Okay, so we're here at Home Goods. The blanket better be here. I'm gonna cry. I found them, guys. I actually found the gray one. And I got this one too. Oh. Please excuse my shirt. I have both. this one. And the gray one. So happy, guys. Look, more Hello Kitty stuff. I'm not gonna buy anything else, just the blankets. Because I really waste too much money. So cute. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Oh my god, look, that's so cute. So we got the blankets. So we're at the mall again because she needs to pick up a hat. Kaz had the Sherry hat, but she's buying another one. So we came here, everything's came here, everything's closed. There's Angie. So we left. Now we're going back to the car. Okay guys, so I just dropped off my sister. I'm going home. We were gonna go eat, but Angie's like needs her nap. I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. When I get home, I'm definitely gonna clean. I have to clean. We just got home.
Tomorrow.
Okay, so we're going to my appointment. I feel like I'm gonna get there on time. I'm not sure. I haven't done anything, so I didn't vlog till now. So we're at my appointment. I look so dark. Why do I look dark? Do you look dark? We just took the car for a car wash. And now we're gonna take some trash.
Organize the toys.
Yeah, organize the toys because it's a mess.
Oh, hell no.
So we're almost done. He's just putting the last things back in the car. We're done. So we're at the park.
Hey guys, I'm single mom, mother too.
I'm not even I gotta use the restroom so bad, but they already knocked out that building. We're the only restroom here, but we just got here, so I have to suck it up because they will legit cry if we leave right now.
What the hell? Oh my god.
So while the girls are playing, I'm here laying down. Don't judge. Nobody's even here because everyone's too busy picking up their kids from school.
What are you doing? No, don't do that. Don't
Look,
do
you
that,
have
don't
it
do that.
dirty and clean.
No. That's all the
So we're at my mom's house. Oh. So cute. Okay, guys, so we're going fishing with my dad.
Isabella! Come on, ven! Ven! Oh, come here! Look, this one, right here. Vini! ¡Yay! ¡Órale, al agua!
Oh.
What the hell? Dale. Espérate. ¡Yay! ¡Yay, baby! Ah, tú agárrala aquí. Aquí.
There's a lot of mosquitoes.
Yeah. Okay? All right. Yeah.
So we only caught 2 fish and they were really small. I haven't caught anything yet. It's getting pretty dark. It's so beautiful, guys. Okay, so we're going to the park because my little one wants, I guess she's bored. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today. I think I'm gonna end the vlog now just because it's really late. We're not gonna do anything else. We're probably gonna go, after this we're probably gonna go home and just sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys to the next video. Bye.